In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your commerce. And once you're in there, click on invoices. After that, it should be able to open right here this particular section that allows you to get started with the commerce of HubSpot. Do take note that in here, you can just click onto this create option. Then you can either create a one-time invoice or a recurring invoice. Click on which one you want. Then after that, it will open right here again, this invoice editor. Just add a billing contact, and then you can also streamline your billing process with this. Now, add your billing contact, your company, billing address, shipping address, line items from your products they actually purchased, summary of that, as well as comments. You can also specify payment collections and enable to accept online payments. So you can also tweak the advanced settings right here. And once you're done, click on the this create option in order to create and send it out. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.